Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a very interesting topic. This podcast is easy, calm, and friendly. You can relax and listen carefully. We will speak slowly and very clearly. This is good for English beginners. Stay with us and enjoy learning. Let us start our conversation now. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us. I am happy to speak with you. This topic is simple and useful. You can learn English step by step. Do not worry, just listen and relax. You can repeat sentences if you want. Learning English can be fun. Let us talk about daily life. Let me ask you a simple question. What do you like to do in your free time after work? I like doing simple, relaxing activities. I like staying at home sometimes. At home, I feel comfortable. I enjoy quiet and calm moments. Simple things make me happy. I like spending time outside. Fresh air makes me feel better. I like walking in the evening. Walking helps me relax my mind. I usually walk near my home. It is quiet and peaceful there. Sometimes I walk with friends. We talk and share stories. That sounds very nice and relaxing. Walking is good for health. I also like walking sometimes, especially in the morning. Morning walks give energy. I feel fresh and active. After walking, I feel motivated. It helps me start my day. Morning walks are very refreshing. I like mornings when weather nice. I also enjoy listening to music. Music makes my mood better. I listen to music every day, usually in the evening. Music helps me forget stress. It makes me feel calm. Music is very powerful indeed. I listen to music while studying. It helps me focus better. Soft music is my favorite. I do not like loud sounds. Calm music helps learning. Do you listen while studying or only for relaxation? I listen during studying sometimes. It helps me stay focused. But sometimes I need silence. Silence helps me think clearly. Both are useful for me. It depends on my mood. Learning needs good environment. Comfort helps learning progress. That is very true and smart. Comfort is important for learning. I also like reading books. Reading is my favorite hobby. I read simple English books. They help me learn vocabulary. I read slowly and carefully. Reading improves my understanding. I like reading too sometimes, mostly short stories and articles. Short texts are easier. They help me not get tired. I read English news sometimes. It helps me learn real language. Reading gives new ideas. It also improves thinking. That is a good habit. Learning from daily content helps. I also like watching movies. Movies are fun and educational. I watch movies in English, with subtitles sometimes. Movies help listening skills. They show real conversations. Yes, movies are very useful. I like watching action movies. They are exciting and interesting. They keep my attention strong. Sometimes I watch comedy movies. Comedy makes me laugh a lot. Laughing is good for health. Movies help me relax. Relaxation is important for everyone. Life can be stressful sometimes. We need rest and fun. Simple hobbies help us relax. I like cooking simple meals. Cooking makes me feel creative. I try new, easy recipes. Food brings people together. Cooking is a great skill. I like helping in the kitchen. I cut vegetables and clean. Cooking together is fun. We talk while cooking. It feels warm and friendly. Food tastes better together. Cooking builds good memories. That is very lovely to hear. Daily activities make life meaningful. Simple things bring happiness. We should enjoy small moments. Learning English is similar. Small steps every day help. Do not rush learning. Enjoy the process slowly. Yes, learning takes time. Patience is very important. Practice every day is key. Even 10 minutes helps. Consistency gives good results. Mistakes are part of learning. Do not fear mistakes. They help us grow. Mistakes help us learn better. Every learner makes mistakes. I make mistakes every day, but I do not stop learning. Learning English needs courage. Courage comes from practice. Practice builds strong confidence. Confidence helps speaking better. I agree with you completely. Speaking is hard at first. Many people feel shy speaking. They worry about mistakes. But mistakes are normal. Everyone starts from zero. Even native speakers learned slowly. So keep speaking without fear. Fear can stop progress. We should face fear gently. Speaking little by little helps. Short sentences are good start. You do not need perfect grammar. Communication is more important. People understand simple sentences. Clarity matters more than perfection. Yes, communication is the goal. Grammar improves with time. Listening helps grammar too. When we listen more, we learn sentence structure. Our brain remembers patterns. Slow listening helps beginners. Repetition makes learning stronger. Repetition is very powerful. I repeat words every day. New words become familiar. I write words in a notebook. Writing helps memory a lot. I also say words aloud. Speaking improves pronunciation. Pronunciation needs daily practice. Pronunciation is important indeed. Clear speech helps understanding. I practice pronunciation with videos. I repeat after speakers slowly. Sometimes I record my voice. Then I listen again. This helps me notice mistakes. Self-practice is very useful. That is a great method. Self-listening improves awareness. Learning English needs many methods. Listening, speaking, reading, writing together. Using all skills is better. Do not focus only one. Balance gives better results. Small effort daily works. Daily effort builds strong habits. Habits shape our future. 10 minutes every day works. Consistency beats long breaks. Short practice keeps motivation. Long breaks reduce confidence. So keep learning daily. Even small steps matter. Motivation is important too. Sometimes motivation feels low. That is normal for learners.
We all feel tired sometimes. Rest is also important. But do not quit learning. Just slow down pace. Then continue again gently. Yes, rest helps mental health. Burnout slows learning progress. Balance work and study. Enjoy learning, not pressure. English should be enjoyable. Use topics you like. Hobbies make learning fun. Fun learning stays longer. I agree, learning should be fun. Choose topics you enjoy. Music, movies, hobbies, travel, food. These topics feel natural. Talking about likes is easy. It builds speaking.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel,